Now, interestingly, this was the area of language that became focus of language reform by the feminists. And you will find very interesting things in this module. Use of nouns and personal pronouns is very important in a culture. Obviously, things are given names. Names give identity to things and persons. And identity places you in society. It shows your position in society, etc. But their improper use or lack of use for some person during talk, it may offend some people. It may be offensive. And it is here that the use of nouns and personal pronouns become sexist. That's why business organizations and universities and even other institutions ask people to edit language for generic use. Whenever you write some document, letter, common correspondence even, report, so they require that that report must be free from any kind of gender biased language. When he, his, him is used for both sexes, it is called generic pronoun. It means that he refers to both men and women. Same is the case with its possessive and accusative form, जिसे आप मलकीती हालत और मफूली हालत इस तरह का कुछ उर्दू में आप कहते हैं. For example, see how you use generic pronoun for both sexes. A teacher says, if a student completes his assignment on time, he will get good grades. Now, who is referent of this he? Only male students of the class, or both males and females? If the class is not a segregated class, अगर उसमें मेल अलग हैं, फीमेल अलग हैं, तो ये तो और बात है. In that case, this he is not generic. It is generic only when the class is, for example, co-ed, दोनों उसमें हैं, and it is used for both, as it is in this announcement by the teacher. Feminists say that generic use, no, what is the effect of this use? Apparently, it seems very harmless thing, but deeply it has a great message behind it. It conveys a feeling of neglect on the part of the user. In this way, if you use he even for female, so it means you are not giving them importance. They become invisible in your language. And when something is invisible in language, it is also invisible in society. So these are its far-reaching effects. It is not just a common use of a pronoun. Use of generic pronouns is decreased now as a result of effort of feminists. This is their success. Now these days, we use she, he or he, she, and we can also write them in combined in one word form with slash, she, he, or we can use they instead of he or she. But there is complication with this use. He, she, for example, in this sentence, he or she told me that his friend was very intelligent. and throughout the sentence you will have to repeat his, her, and it looks very awkward. This problem has to be overcome in the use of personal pronouns.